How you doing? Today I'm gonna give you guys a review on this $100 Propress hydraulic thing I got off Amazon. It comes with 1 inch, 3/4, and 1/2. I use Vega flames and so I pre-marked how far in I want the coupler in the elbow. It's 3/4, so we'll load the 3/4 inch chuck in. You turn the knob all the way to off for some reason, and then you just start pumping, making sure everything still lines up. And then you go until you really can't anymore. You flip it to on, it releases. I usually have a little trouble getting it out. I usually put an X or something to mark that I've already done this one. Now we'll do the elbow. The elbow's a little bit more difficult because all the other stuff's in the way. You got to do it a particular way. You know, ideally you point it where none of the joints are, and then again make sure everything's staying within the groove. And then you just tighten it till it doesn't go anymore. Really, you know, you can see them kind of touching the chucks, and you can release the pressure. Point is, for $100 compared to $1,500 you can get from Milwaukee or what have you, not a bad alternative if you're doing just a couple things. The head also swivels, but I'll attach a video of me using it in the ceiling and me struggling with it getting off the pipe itself. But $100, it's gotten us out of a pickle or two.